Hello everyone, it's Koko's channel, and today I want to show you the very easy beef recipe. But for this recipe we will need two vital ingredients. Basically we will need the teriyaki sauce that we're going to marinate our beef and the oyster sauce. Now these sauces you can buy in most of the shops these days, but if you can't find teriyaki sauce, just the simplest way is to mix up soy sauce with sugar. A bit more complicated way is to mix up soy sauce with honey and a bit of ginger and a bit of brown sugar. Heat it up and then let it cool down, and then you have a teriyaki sauce. For oyster sauce it's a bit more complicated to do, and my advice will be just to go and find it in a big shop. Let's see the simple recipe. First thing first, we start with the beef. Cut it into slices. Okay. So we take teriyaki sauce, put it in. Now we'll give a little massage to our beef. We'll start with the onion and the garlic. Start with the garlic. Now the onion. Take a pepper. Cut the pepper. Roughly chop it. Now let's start cooking. Oil in. Onion and garlic in. Mix this well a bit. Pepper in. Mix well. You might add a bit of ginger. Now it's time to put our meat in. Good. Now it's time to add some oyster sauce. Let's try it. It's very hot, careful. This is one of my favorite dishes because first of all it takes about 5 to 10 minutes to cook it. It's really quick. If you have guests and you don't know what to cook, this is one of the best things to feed them up in the shortest period of time. This is also very good if you're keen how to start cooking Asian cuisine. Now Asian cuisine is it's very interesting cuisine because most of it is cooked in wok. It's cooked quickly. And it tastes amazing. Well, just order Chinese and you'll know how Asian cuisine tastes like. On the taste level, this is, for me, it's 10 out of 10. It's really easy to do. You can add a bit of sesame seeds, you can add a bit of lime. It's up to you, you know, like at the end of the day, it's your choice what to add. But this is like the very basic. Again, it took me about 10 minutes to cook. And I hope this recipe will help a lot of you not to feel hungry in the evening. Thank you very much for watching me. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you didn't like this video, hit the dislike button. And I'll show you more recipes later. Thank you. Bye.